How to change mouse scroll lines in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to adjust how many lines your screen scrolls per mouse wheel movement. First, click on the Start menu and open Settings. After that, click on Bluetooth and Devices. From there, click on Mouse. At this point, look for the setting labeled Roll the mouse wheel to scroll. In the next step, click on the drop-down or field next to it. Following this, enter the number of lines you'd like to scroll per wheel movement, or select multiple lines at a time. Once done, adjust the number field that appears to your preferred amount. From here, close Settings and test scrolling in a document or web page to see the new behavior. At this stage, if scrolling feels too fast or slow, come back to this same setting and fine-tune the number further. Keep in mind, some apps may override this system setting with their own internal scroll speed, so results can vary slightly between different programs. Finally, repeat these steps anytime you want to adjust scroll sensitivity again. And that's it. If this guide helped you change mouse scroll lines in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.